coming. We're gonna get it.
Let's go. Please.
We're running, so it's gonna be a little bit of bumpy here. Well, we got a train coming.
Where's my phone?
It's in my pocket. It's right here. It's right here. We got a train coming. Woo! Yeah, yay! Hardly ever comes through. Look at this.
Look at the beautiful train. That's so pretty. Look at that, so pretty. It's like 1,000,000 pounds, bro. Like 2,000,000 kilos going that way.
Look at this, man. Look, I'm gonna get this one right there. Look at that. Woo! You can feel the ground shaking. Home shop for repair, do not load! I used to ride on these things, man. Oh, Bo Willie sitting around in his underwear. Willie Nelson song, man.
Ooh, tires.
Tires, tires! Home shop for repair, do not load!
Go that way, buckwheat.
I don't want to get too close. I mean, I'm a good maybe a foot away from this thing.
That is beautiful, sir.
I love the graffiti on some of these things, on some of these trains, man. I would like, someone should send look, this is where I'm at. I'm getting dizzy just looking at the top, and we're coming down slowly. There's the last of it! Woohoo! Bye-bye, train!
Yes, that's 2 train videos on my YouTube channel.
What is it?
2 train videos on my YouTube channel.
2 train videos?
This will be my 2nd video now.
Yeah, mine too.
You gotta put pounds.
Well, yeah, man. Did you get one up for your phone?
Yeah.
All right.
I even recorded you, so if you want to link it down in your description.
Yeah. Thug Life.
It's gonna be down in the description.
Oh, and the Hunter.
No, I'm gonna put my channel down in the description because it's gonna show.
Hold on. I gotta zoom back out.
It's gonna show the video of the train going by.
Yeah, there we go.
Now, how many OGs have you met? But this is OE. He's the true original.
OE.
He's not OG.
No.
He's OE. No. Okay. No, I'm gonna link my channel down in the description because it's gonna show him recording this video next to the train. So if you want to see that, wanna come watch it.
And then we're
Make
done.
Make sure to like and subscribe because you know what's up. Peace out.
That's the Thug Life. And there he goes. They're going away. Okay. And subscribe to Nikki and Will. See you later. Bye.